Think you need to spend over $1,000 for a great rock or blues electric guitar? That idea is officially dead. Experts are now calling sub $500 guitars straight up weapons. The market is now stacked with instruments that punch way above their price point. This isn't about decent for the money. This is professional performance for a fraction of the old cost. We'll show you the tech that made this happen, the features to look for, and the top models to compare. So what changed? How did these guitars get so good so fast? It starts with how they are made. The biggest factor is computer numerical control, or CNC machining. Robots cut wood with microscopic precision. This means neck pockets are tighter and fret placement is perfect. The baseline quality is incredibly high. A new sub $500 guitar can have better intonation and build consistency than many vintage instruments. Okay, they're built well. But rock and blues is about tone. Where does that sound actually come from? Guitarists talk about tone woods, but for solid body electrics, most of your sound comes from the pickups. Pickups are magnetic microphones that hear the string. They are the true voice of the instrument. The secret is that manufacturers are putting better electronics in cheaper guitars. But which ones do you need? First, look for Alnico 5 pickups. This specific magnet type delivers the warmth and clarity of classic rock. For a raw, grittier sound, you want P90 pickups. They're punchy and perfect for aggressive blues. For maximum versatility, the HSS configuration is king. It's like having 3 different guitars in one. Even coil splitting, which turns a fat humbucker into a bright single coil, is now found under $500. So where do you find these? Squire's classic vibe Stratocasters and Telecasters use superb Alnico 5 pickups. The champion of HSS versatility is the Yamaha Pacifica 112OE, a pro favorite for its reliability and tone. We've covered build and tone, but a guitar is useless if it's hard to play. Do these guitars actually feel good? Old cheap guitars had awful necks. Modern budget guitars almost universally use comfortable C-shaped necks. And thanks to that CNC precision we mentioned, fretwork is smoother and more level right out of the box. Some brands are even including stainless steel frets. They are smoother for bending and last a lifetime. What about staying in tune? Modern hardware, tuners, bridges, and nuts are far more reliable than before. So we have precise manufacturing, great electronics, and comfortable playability. What does this mean for you? Recall that CNC precision and stable hardware? That combination creates a truly dependable instrument. This makes a sub $500 guitar a fantastic gigging tool. You don't have to worry about damaging or losing. But there is one final step to make a good guitar play great, a professional setup. It's the best investment. Because the foundation is so solid, a setup can make a $450 guitar feel like a $1,500 instrument. The technology is there, the value is undeniable. But if you need ultimate proof, let's look at history. Jimmy Page used a Telecaster for Led Zeppelin I. Jack White built a blues empire on cheap plastic guitars. These legends prove that creativity is in your hands, not your wallet. The guitar is simply a tool. And today's affordable tools are sharper and more powerful than ever before. The verdict is clear. High-quality, genre-perfect guitars for rock and blues are abundant in the sub $500 price range. Now go find your weapon. What's the best sub $500 guitar you've ever played? Tell us in the comments.